Hi there. In this introduction video, we're going to run through how to create a personal account using the workrest app. So when you first open the workrest app, you'll be given two options at the bottom here, which is the I'm new here button and the I've used workrest before button. So if you're completely new to workrest, you would go ahead and select the I'm new here button. And if you've had an account in the past, you can go ahead and enter into that account by clicking on the I've used workrest before button. So in this video, we're going to run through how to create a new account. So I'm going to select I'm new here. So here you'll be able to add things in like your photo, your name, your email, and your password. So I'm going to go ahead and just do that now. Once we've entered in those details, we can then go ahead and choose our position on board. So I'm going to go ahead and select the bosun position, which is in the deck department here. And underneath that, you'll then have the option to set your status on board. So if we click into this, you'll see you have two options here, which is I'm a vessel admin and I'm not a vessel admin. So a vessel admin is someone who's responsible for reviewing and approving timesheets on board. So in this particular scenario, I'm just going to go ahead and say I'm not a vessel admin, and then we're going to hit next. So at the vessel searcher, this is essentially where you go and join your vessel. So to begin with, what we're going to do is just start typing in the name of the vessel, and then we'll get a search result underneath every vessel that falls underneath that name. It's important here to make sure that we don't include things like MY or SY. We're just going to type in the name of the vessel. So in this particular scenario, I'm going to search for a vessel called workrest Uno. So if I go ahead and just type in workrest, you'll see we've got lots of vessels called workrest. And underneath the name, you'll see that there is a filter for vessel size. So we've got things like 100 meter plus all the way down to under 25 meter. So if there's lots of vessels with the same name as yours, you can go ahead and filter further by selecting on the size of the vessel. So if I go ahead and hit 50 to 25 meter, you'll see these are all the 50 to 25 meter vessels with workrest in the name that we have in our system. So I'm going to go ahead and hit workrest Uno here to join. So to join, I'm just going to hit this join button there. And then you'll see you'll get a little pop-up showing you that it's joining the vessel. So once I've done that, I've created my account, I've joined my vessel. And the last step here is to set up reminders. So these are push notification reminders that will come through on your phone or the device that you're using. And they essentially remind you to log your hours of rest. So in this scenario, I'm going to say, let's do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then we're going to set that reminder to come through at 8 o'clock in the evening. If you don't want to set a reminder, you can hit the skip button, which is just at the top right of your screen. But in this case, we're going to save those reminders just by hitting the save notifications underneath. Brilliant. So once you've done that, you'll land on the home page of the workrest app.